Exercise 7.8, question number 7. Find the dimensions of the rectangle with maximum area that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 10 centimeter. So here is a diagram. It's a circle. Inside the circle, largest rectangle is inscribed. It is the four vertices should lie on the circle. Yes, so this is the largest rectangle inscribed in a circle. Circle is of radius 10. Radius வந்து 10 ன்னு நமக்கு क्वेश्चनல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ABCD is a rectangle. We know the coordinates of any point on the circle is r cos theta, r sin theta. But here radius is 10 ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால the point A is 10 cos theta, 10 sin theta. Yes, that is OE. OE equal to 10 cos theta and AE equal to 10 sin theta. ABCD is the largest rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Length AB. Now this measurement is OE is 10 cos theta. அப்போ ஏபின்னு சொல்லும்போது 2 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ ஏபி இஸ் 20 cos theta. Breadth AD is breadth. AE is 10 sin theta. So AD is 20 sin theta. Now we have to prove area is maximum. So find area of the rectangle. Length into breadth. 20 cos theta into 20 sin theta multiplying 20 into 20 400. So 400 200 into 2 வச்சிருக்கேன். 200 into 2 400 sin theta cos theta. And we know 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So இந்த formula apply பண்றதுக்காக தான் instead of writing 400 I am writing it as 200 into 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is 200 sin 2 theta. Area denoted by A. Theta is the variable. So A of theta. Finding first and second derivative. A dash of theta. 200 is constant. So keep as it is. Differentiating sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta into again differentiating 2 theta 2. 2 into 200. 400 cos 2 theta. Again second derivative. A double dash of theta. 400 differentiating cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta into again differentiating 2 theta 2. 400 into 2 800 is minus sign. So A double dash of theta equal to minus 800 sin 2 theta. Now only when you know the value of theta you can say whether this is positive or negative. So to get the value of theta put first derivative equal to 0. A dash of theta equal to 0. 400 cos 2 theta equal to 0. 400 is not equal to 0. So only this is equal to 0. Cos 2 theta equal to 0. Cos 2 theta equal to 0 அப்படினா this 2 theta equal to 90 degree. Pi by 2. Theta equal to the 2 and the right side கொண்டு போனீங்கன்னா pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. Now substitute the value of theta in the second derivative. So when theta equal to pi by 4, A double dash of theta equal to minus 800 sin 2 into pi by 4. Split பண்ணீங்கன்னா pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. Sin 90 is 1. So minus 800 into 1. That is minus 800 negative less than 0. Second derivative less than 0 வந்தா we say area is maximum. Yes, area is maximum. Next, when theta is equal to pi by 4, after proving area is maximum, now we have to find dimensions of the rectangle. When theta equal to pi by 4, length equal to 20 cos theta. Yeah, theta ku pi by 4 substitute பண்ணலாம். 20 cos pi by 4. We know the value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 20 into 1 by root 2. 20, 2 into 10, இந்த 2 root 2 ஓட cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா root 2 வரும். So 10 root 2. Similarly, breadth equal to 20 sin pi by 4. Again, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 20 into 1 by root 2. 20 is 2 into 10. This root 2 you can cancel with this 2. So, you will get 10 root 2. Yes. So, length equal to 10 root 2. Breadth equal to 10 root 2. Therefore, the dimensions of the rectangle are 10 root 2 centimeter, 10 root 2 centimeter. Question number 8. Prove that among all the rectangles of the given perimeter, the square has the maximum area. Rectangle of given perimeter. When perimeter is given, the square has the maximum area. Yes. When the area is maximum, this rectangle will become a square. அப்படின்னு prove பண்ணணும். Okay. Let x and y be the dimensions of the rectangle. Perimeter is given. So start with perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is 2x plus 2y. P equal to 2x plus 2y. Since there are two variables, let us eliminate y. So 2y equal to 2x inside kondu poningina p minus 2x. Y equal to திரும்ப இந்த 2 right side கொண்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா p minus 2x divided by 2. So y equal to p minus 2x by 2. Next, coming to area. Prove area is maximum. Area. You know the formula for area of rectangle. Area is length into breadth. It is x into y. Y க்கு substitute பண்ணலாம். So x into p minus 2x by 2. Multiplying. தனித்தனியாக multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். px by 2 minus 2x square by 2. 2 cancel. So a of x is equal to px by 2 minus x square. Now differentiating. A dash of x is equal to p and 2 constant. So derivative of x is 1. So this gives p by 2 minus derivative of x square is 2x. Again second derivative, a double dash of x. P by 2 constant. So derivative of p by 2 is 0 minus derivative of 2x is 2 minus 2. This is negative. Second derivative negative. So this implies area is maximum. Now to find length and breadth. Put first derivative equal to 0. A dash of x equal to 0. That is p by 2 minus 2x equal to 0. p by 2 இந்த side கொண்டு வரலாம். Minus 2x equal to minus p by 2. Cancel minus sign on both sides. Taking 2 right side, you get x is equal to p by 4. After finding x, now we can find y. So when x equal to p by 4, y equal to p minus 2x. Yeah, 2 into p by 4 substitute பண்ணா p by 2 by 2. LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 2p minus p, இந்த 2 கீழே வந்துரும் by 4. 2p minus p, p by 4. When x equal to p by 4, y equal to p by 4. length, breadth. ரெண்டுமே நமக்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. So in a rectangle, length and breadth are equal. So rectangle length and breadth equal இருந்தா that becomes a square. Therefore the rectangle is a square. Question number 9. Find the dimensions of the largest rectangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius or centimeter. Consider a semicircle, and inside the semicircle we have largest rectangle. So ABCD is the largest rectangle that is inscribed in a semicircle of radius R. Radius is R. கொடுத்திருக்காங்க நமக்கு. Already I told you, any point on the circle is R cos theta, R sin theta. So A is R cos theta, R sin theta. OD. OD is R cos theta, is AD. AD is R sin theta. Now let us write length and breadth. Length is AB. இப்போ OD தான் நமக்கு R cos theta. அப்போ இந்த full length ன்னு சொல்லும்போது இதோட 2 times. So 2R cos theta. Breadth AD, that is R sin theta. Okay, so this is length and breadth. Now coming to area. Area is length into breadth. 2R cos theta into R sin theta. R into R, R square. So மீதி பாருங்க 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So A of theta equal to R square sin 2 theta. Radius is given. So அதனால அது அப்படியே தான் இருக்கணும். Theta தான் variable நமக்கு. So we have to differentiate A with respect to theta. So A dash of theta, R square, differential of sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta into 2. So இந்த 2 இதோட multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். 2R square cos 2 theta. Again second time differentiating, A double dash of theta is 2R square. Differential of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta into 2. Minus 2 into 2. 4R square sin 2 theta. Now to find the value of theta, put first derivative equal to 0. That is 2R square cos 2 theta equal to 0. 2 and R square is not equal to 0. Therefore, this cos 2 theta equal to 0. We know cos theta equal to 0 அப்படினா theta is pi by 2. So here we have cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 0 implies this 2 theta equal to pi by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Now after getting the value of theta, substitute theta in second derivative. இந்த thetaவுக்கு substitute பண்ணணும். 2 theta இருக்கு இல்லையா, டைரக்டாவே 2 thetaவுக்கு pi by 2 ன்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். When theta is equal to pi by 4, A double dash of theta equal to minus 4R square sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So minus 4R square into 1 minus 4R square. This is negative, less than 0. Second derivative less than 0 implies A, area. Area is maximum. Now to find the dimensions. When theta equal to pi by 4, find length. Length is 2R cos theta. Theta க்கு pi by 4 substitute பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2R cos pi by 4. 2R cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel with this 2, so we'll get root 2. Root 2 R. Breadth equal to R sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. R into 1 by root 2, this is R by 2. Length, breadth. Therefore, the dimensions of the rectangle are root 2 r centimeter, comma r by root 2 centimeter.